Right, so morning, we're trying something new. We're going to do some on-the-fly YouTube videoing of hints and tips from the mechanical trade. So if it don't fit, don't force it, and let me show you what I got. So here we have a lovely 2010 Land Rover Freelander 2, and I've just put an EGR valve on it, but I had to take the fuel rail off to do some other bits as well. It had some snapped and broken studs, so I've had the fuel rail off and all the injector pipes and the return back to the fuel filter, so the fuel will have run back to the tank. Now these don't have a lift pump, so you're going to need to prime the fuel filter and the fuel rail, so I'll show you how to do that, or the way I do it, using some dead simple parts from Wrexham Motoring Supplies. We've got one of these little pumpy balls, and it's like, I think these are like a £5 or something, maybe. And then I've just got some fuel pipe, and we're going to connect it in and prime the fuel system with it. Right, so I've got my car there connected to this one, because even though the battery's charged, you want to make sure there's plenty of amps in it, because she's a diesel and she's going to take a lot. So let's just get this setup done now. Right, so I've just disconnected this wire, unplugged the fuel flow sensor, and pushed my rubber pipe onto the end of that one. I've connected my ball with the arrow pointing outwards, and I've got a bottle that we can put the pipe into, and we can prime the fuel filter, and fingers crossed she'll start. So sometimes what I like to do is just put my finger over the end until I know there's fuel in the ball. Oh, there we go. Right. Right, so we know we've got fuel there now. Like that. So pull that pipe off, put your finger over it. Try not to spill too much diesel everywhere. Bang that pipe back on, put that on. Make sure nothing's going to fall over. And there we go. That's right, so there we go. That's how I find is the cheapest way and most efficient way of bleeding the fuel system on these Freelanders. So if it don't fit, don't force it.